Since Sela is homeschooled, this is one of the curriculums that we will be doing with her, that we are doing.
Flowers.
And yes, flowers. She wanted to do some flowers. So we went to Target. These were at Target here for $1 each. And these are mini grow plants. We have sunflower.
Rose.
Yes, the mini rose. This is the one Sela picked. She's so in love with the roses. So she has a mini rose, and we have lavender. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do this. Are you excited, Sela?
Yeah!
Okay. We're gonna go ahead and get this done. First of all, Sela is not Sela today. She is, what's your name?
Supergirl Sela.
Yes, Supergirl Sela. So this is Supergirl Sela. I don't even know why I'm calling her Sela right now. But we're gonna go ahead. You said you wanted to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so Sela's gonna do the
Rose.
the rose. It's the mini rose. And pull it out like this.
Oh.
You do yours. Pull it out. Right there. Okay, so inside it gives you instructions. I don't know if you can see that.
Maybe.
But it gives you the instructions on what to do. So basically, everything that you need, yes, those are the seeds. And I wanted to kind of keep these in order. Let me see. Okay, so this is the sunflower seeds. Let's do this. This is the rose.
Mm-hmm. I don't know how to do mine.
Okay, we're going to show you. We're going to do it all. So basically, place the growing medium inside. This is the medium pellet.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot. I have some other things that I need to put out.
So it's only me. I was kidding. It's mommy over there.
To put the this in. So I'm gonna read the instructions on exactly what we have to do. Okay, so I have these.
Yeah.
And so what you want to do, Sela, is take out the
That's
medium
not
pellet.
Sela.
Okay, Supergirl Sela, I'm tripping, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so take this out and drop it in there. In
Which
yours.
one's mine?
That one right there. Okay, so I don't know how long this is, but you're supposed to take about a teaspoon of lukewarm water.
I want to say one.
And since we didn't have a teaspoon, I forgot to bring a teaspoon. We're just gonna eye it. That's about a teaspoon.
Woohoo!
This is about a teaspoon. That might have been a little bit more than a teaspoon. And this is about a teaspoon. That's probably more than a teaspoon. But see what they automatically do? As soon as you do the pellets, they rise instantly. I wasn't sure how long that was going to take. So now what we have to do is after we put it in lukewarm water, let the pellet absorb the water, which it has done. Put the seeds, put the medium in the pot. So now you take this and put it in the pot, Sela. This is the soil. This is what this ended up being, soil, okay? So look at what they actually are here.
Let me see.
What are these?
Can I help?
What are those?
I don't know.
Sunflower seeds.
Can I help?
Yes. Sela, we eat sunflower seeds all the time.
I know.
1, 2.
1, 2,
You have 3,
3,
4,
4,
5. And here, put that one in there. That's 6.
6.
Okay, so they gave us plenty of these.
Yeah, that's nice.
That is nice because maybe we can use them for another one.
Which
Another
one?
plant.
That
Flower
one?
that we're going to do. No, we're going to use, for this one, we're going to use, so this is what this looks like on the inside.
Yeah, that's mine.
And this is the sunflowers. It says press it down once we get it in there. You probably didn't see that. That's the sunflower.
Mama, I got
And
them
now
down.
I'm going to do, yeah, but wait a minute. We're going to, you pressed it down?
No.
Okay. We did it?
No,
Okay.
I just dropped them down.
Okay, it's okay.
After
Now
that.
look at these seeds. Now these are small. Let me see if I can get you to see them here. These are smaller.
Yeah.
Okay, so we only need, how many do we need? You remember?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, 6. We need 6 of them. Count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get the one out of my hand. 2, 3. Come on, baby. 5. And one more. Get one more right there. Get that one.
Yeah.
6. Did you put it in?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, look, we have a lot of these left as well, so we'll use that on something else too. This is the lavender. So one of the other things that we're going to be doing with Selah is planting herbs and things like that, and teaching her also as we're learning what the different herbs can do. So this is really exciting. We're going to wrap up the video, but basically that's all you do. You press these firm into the soil, and then you keep them moist and put them in sunlight. And that's pretty much it. So we're excited to watch and see how these plants grow. And a lot of times, just by your children learning and seeing things grow, they kind of appreciate things more, and then they'll understand the cycle of life. So Selah, did you like planting today?
Yeah.
I hope you all enjoyed watching us plant.
Go on my channel and press the subscribe button.
Definitely.
Right here.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to share us as well, because we're building and we have so much more to show you all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace.
I just want to say something. Make sure you like flowers and like this, and have to subscribe to our channel, okay? See you later, but have fun. See you later. I love you.